In this tutorial, we'll learn how to use NotebookLM, an AI-powered research and note-taking tool by Google. NotebookLM can help you understand information faster and organize your ideas more effectively. The first step is to add your source by typing something like "What is AI?" and pressing enter. Once you do this, NotebookLM will either generate a response based on your existing sources or guide you to add sources if none are available. After adding sources, it will display a clear explanation of artificial intelligence in simple terms, allowing you to explore the topic further, ask follow-up questions, and generate summaries, all in one place. Another way to add sources in NotebookLM is by uploading your own material. You can drag and drop files, paste a website link, connect content from Google Drive, or simply copy and paste text directly into the notebook. In this case, let's copy some text about artificial intelligence and paste it in as a source. Once added, NotebookLM will use that text to generate explanations, summaries, and answers based only on the information you provided, making your learning more focused and reliable. Once your source is added, NotebookLM will automatically generate a selection of follow-up questions to help guide your learning. These are designed to highlight key ideas from your material. Let's click on one of them. Describe the role of natural language processing in AI systems. NotebookLM will then generate a clear answer based on your source, explaining how natural language processing allows AI to understand, interpret, and respond to human language, making features like chatbots, translation, and voice assistance possible. It also allows you to save the generated response as a note inside NotebookLM. This is useful because you can collect important answers, summaries, and explanations in one organized place while studying. On the right side of NotebookLM, you will see the Studio panel, which gives you different ways to turn your notes into useful formats like audio, slides, videos, mind maps, reports, flashcards, quizzes, infographics, and data summaries. Each option helps you interact with your information in a different way, making it easier to study, revise, or present your ideas. You can quickly transform your notes into structured learning materials, test your understanding through quizzes and flashcards, or visualize connections using mind maps and infographics, all within the same workspace. When you open the mind map in NotebookLM, it automatically generates a visual breakdown of your notes. At the center, you'll see your main topic, like AI, and branching out from it are related subtopics and key ideas. These branches help you understand how concepts are connected, making it easier to see the structure of your content at a glance. Instead of reading long text, you can visually explore how ideas link together in one clear diagram. In NotebookLM, when you open the report feature, it automatically organizes your notes into a structured document. It takes the information from your sources and turns it into a clean, readable report with headings, subheadings, and key points. This helps you quickly understand complex topics in a more formal format, almost like a mini research paper generated from your own materials. When you open the quiz feature, it automatically creates questions based on your uploaded notes and sources. The goal is to test your understanding of the material in an interactive way. The flashcards feature automatically turns your notes into simple question and answer cards. Each flashcard focuses on a key concept, term, or idea from your sources, helping you review information quickly and memorize it more effectively. The slides feature automatically turns your notes into a presentation format. It organizes your content into clear slides with headings and key points, making it easy to present or study information in a structured way. Instead of manually designing slides, NotebookLM extracts the main ideas from your sources and formats them into a clean, ready-to-use presentation that you can review, edit, or use for teaching and sharing. The podcast audio overview feature turns your notes into a spoken, podcast-style discussion. It takes the information from your sources and converts it into a natural-sounding audio explanation that you can listen to like a conversation. The video feature helps you turn your notes and sources into a structured video-style summary. It organizes the main ideas into a visual flow, combining key points, explanations, and highlights so you can understand the topic in a more engaging format. The infograph feature turns your notes into a visual summary using charts, icons, and structured layouts. It takes key points from your sources and presents them in a clear, easy to understand visual format. Instead of reading long text, you get a simplified graphic view of the main ideas, making it easier to quickly understand relationships, processes, and important concepts at a glance. You have successfully completed the tutorial for NotebookLM. You now know how to add sources, explore follow-up questions, save notes, and use the studio tools like mind maps, reports, flashcards, quizzes, slides, audio overviews, and videos. With these features, you can easily turn any information into structured learning material and study more efficiently.